Danny, can I call you back in 2 minutes? I do apologize. I'm right in the middle of one thing.
No need. Don't bother.
Morning, Danny. How are you?
Good morning. I'm all the way down here on page 9. It looks like you found a lovely crack house. We have no history with this store. Property manager, there's the phone number. You got it from the vape shop. And
Correct.
What else do we know about this guy?
Well, I spoke to the guy a couple months ago because it was for sale. So I just wanted to get some more information. He sent me a spreadsheet with some of the financials, and then he's also trying to sell 2 more properties.
So he's trying to sell the laundromat with the dirt and the parking lot and the building? No,
he's selling just the business. He does not own the dirt.
The business, the laundromat, is $225,000, and he is also he's also the landlord.
No, he's not the landlord. We're calling the property manager.
So Dave does not own the laundromat.
No, Dave is the property manager. The person who owns the laundromat, I didn't even put their information here because I know it's useless. We would never call them.
Got it. Let's call Dave. Here we go.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, this is Danny for Dave.
Okay. I'm sorry. This is who? I'm sorry.
My name's Danny.
Okay, nice to meet you. What can I do for you?
I'm interested in leasing some space here in.
Okay. What are you looking for?
I've got the exact address. Court. There's a little coin laundromat out here, among other things. Every word.
Okay. Yeah, it's currently a laundromat. That one is in lease. I believe that lease doesn't run out for about 5 or 6 more years.
Good. Are you aware that your tenant is making an attempt to sell the business?
Yeah, he did. He did let me know. Are you the buyer?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, if somebody wants to buy it, he's welcome to try to sell it. Obviously, the lease would not convey. But I mean, that's.
So I'm buying the business for $225,000, and then I have to negotiate a new lease with you.
That's correct. And I mean, just full disclosure, the building is under contract, and there will be likely a new owner this time next week for the building.
So let's add another layer. You're selling the building, and it's under contract. Is the new landlord's plan to keep the same configuration?
Well, the people that are in lease, he can't do anything with.
Correct. But in 5 years, again, I'm trying to follow this thread.
Is it possible? What was your name? I apologize.
My name is still Danny.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Danny. Can I call you back in just 2 minutes? I do apologize. I have to wrap one thing up, and can I call you back on this number?
I don't understand the reasoning behind it. I'm just making sure that this.
Danny, can I call you back in 2 minutes? I do apologize. I'm right in the middle of one thing.
Don't bother. This is a window into the heart and soul of what goes on with these knuckleheads, right?
Mm-hmm.
Forget about what this laundromat might earn. Forget about what remains on the lease. Forget about this dude. Literally, as dim-witted as he is, bumbling. I mean, it's a conversation. Hi, are you the buyer? No.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the reason I wanted you to call was because maybe he's selling because his lease is up or something. But in this case, there's 2 things going on.
He tells me, but the new lease won't. So if I buy the business, the lease doesn't convey.
That's crazy. I mean, I don't think most people even understand that. Like, even if they buy it, like, you have to negotiate a lease after you spent that much money. It's absolutely insane.
Say most people don't understand it. Most people grow up with their grandparents and their mom and dad saying, go to college, get a good job, get a gold watch at the end of 30 years. or join the military, go through the ranks.
On your feet, boy.
Get a gold watch at the end of 30 years. I don't really give a shit about most people. If you want to do laundromats, this guy, can I call you back in 5 minutes? Why? You told me what I need to know. Give me 100 scenarios and none of them are good for the potential buyer of this business. None of them. He doesn't even want to talk. Oh, I have a renter there. Okay, good. This guy can sign a lease with everything on it contingent of the exit of the current operator. He can. Will he? No, because again, he doesn't understand. Dude, people make mistakes. First love, first kiss, first home, first car. People driving around on 28% interest. Yeah, I got 4 wheels, fill it with gas. Unbelievable. This is indicative of what happens Don't go online and look for laundromats for sale because you'll find them. And here's a store that this guy is trying. Now, if you buy this business, the new landlord is not going to allow the lease to convey. Can you imagine? To whom is this business worthwhile? There's only one person, one entity. The current operator. The current operator.
Yeah, okay.
He said he has 5 or 6 years remaining. Is this business worth anything to the next buyer? No. Is it worth anything to the future landlord, this landlord? No. The only person that has a foothold here is the current operator. But he wants to sell it for $225,000. Wow. Bro, all I do is negotiate leases because the lease is the most important thing. And that's something that people don't even understand. 99% of people that find me have never heard of abatement. They don't even know what it is. 10% of the landlords I deal with don't know what it is. So what do we do on this store? We'll call them back in 6 months. Hopefully this thing will be done. And hopefully, if not this guy who's got to get off the phone, the next landlord's property manager will say, oh yeah, I like your style. That makes sense. Yeah, laundromat can be a good business. Sure, let's do XXY. And we'll have a foothold.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.